Let's see what happens with teletoon. Where is it?
On March 27th, teletoon is becoming Cartoon Network.
The new police. Where is it? Teletoon is becoming Cartoon Network on March 27th. Wow! We can't watch Cartoon Network anymore. See video to see what is this.
We have breaking news! Got that card! On March 27th, teletoon is becoming Cartoon Network!
Oh man, I'm so excited!
Watch all your favorite shows! With all new laughs! And all new adventures! All in a brand new look! Starting March 27th, teletoon is becoming Cartoon Network! Oh, the world's something better if I know that!
Cool, Kristen, I want to say goodbye to teletoon. Are you sure about that? Come on, buddy, let's check the TV provider. Wait a second. I wasn't aware that we were going to Cartoon Network. The heck?
This program is available in described video.
I love watching Cartoon Network Canada. I just like it. Teletoon. No, teletoon is becoming Cartoon Network and Watch Choice 7. I love watching Cartoon Network.
For the visually impaired.
Come on, kid!
I think I know where this is going.
I don't, so no spoilers.
We finally take over the world! Alright, now how do I end the call? I can't find the switch.
New season April 7th on Cartoon Network. Pokemon Ultimate Journeys. All new Saturday 12 on Cartoon Network.
The end.